Hello everyone. Previ- Previously we had discussed on the conditional statements. So today we'll be discussing on the ternary operator. Right. So today we'll be discussing on the ternary operator. Right. So just give me a second here. One second. So ternary operator is a shorthand for writing if else in a single line. So if you are making use of the if else, the code will be little lengthier, right? So here, in case if we want to write, if in case if we want to make use of the if else in a single line, then we can go for the ternary operator instead, right? So then we can go for the ternary operator instead. So this is an alternative to the if else. This is an alternative to the if else, right? So before getting into the example part, let me tell you one thing. Let me give you the syntax here. So I can just go with value underscore if underscore true, then if condition, else value underscore if underscore false. So this is the simple syntax. This is simple syntax, right? So let me delete this one. You can just have a look into it, right? So ternary operator is shorthand for writing if else in a single line. So let me consider a very simple example here. So let me give age. Let me assign this one to the integer 18 to the variable age, right? So also status, I'll just give here adult. Status, I'll just give here adult, right? So if age is greater than or equal to 18, if age is greater than or equal to 18, so we will print adult, right? So we will go with the this one, we'll print adult, else we will print minor, else we will print minor, right? So we can just write it in this way. Status equals adult if age is greater than or equal to 18, age is greater than or equal to 18, else we'll just go with a minor, else we'll just go with a minor, right? So this is the syntax we have. I had already shown you the syntax, right? So status equals adult if age is greater than 18, greater than or equal to 18, else else uh, else he or she is a minor, right? So this is fine. let's print the let's print the status. Let's print the status, right? So we have to get the output adult, right? So age is equal to 18. So if status equals adult, if age is greater than or equal to 18, we have given. So it is equivalent to the 18, or it is equal to the 18 basically, right? So we have to get the output adult. So let's see. I'll just go with here Python. So this is what name I have given, ternary operator, right? So let me right click here, rename. Let me copy here file name dot py. So here we are getting the output adult, right? So if I change this one to 16, I have to get the output minor. So let me check the same thing here. So here we are getting the output minor, right? So if I give greater than or equal to 18, we have to get the output adult, right? So let me give 26 here. Let me give 26 here. Then yeah, if I run this one, we are getting the output adult, right? So we are getting the output adult. So this works absolutely correct. So again, ternary operator is a shorthand for writing if else in a single line, if else in a single line, right? So again, we are done with the ternary operator. Now let me summarize what we have learned till now. So just remember this. Let's make use of the ternary operator for short and simple conditions in a single line. So right, in the future, right? So we can make use of the ternary operator for short and simple condition in a single line, in a single line, right? So this is it for the ternary operator. Next we'll be discussing about the logical operator. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.